friends! Welcome back to ZooniToons, the place where your favorite cartoons come to life with just a pencil and a splash of color. Today, we're diving deep into the nighttime adventures of the PJ Masks world. But this time, it's all about the villains. Are you ready to meet 3 mischievous troublemakers? Let's get started. First up, we're drawing Octobella. Look closely as I begin with her tentacle-like hair. It's squiggly and wild, just like the underwater creature she is. Octobella is part girl, part octopus, and she lives in the sewers of the city. She's sneaky, slippery, and always causing watery chaos. Now I'm adding her big, curious eyes. They always seem to be watching something. Let's color in her fins and finish her look with a splash of shimmer. Her costume is a mix of blue and purple shades, perfect for blending into her watery world. Doesn't she look cool and mysterious? Next up, it's Anu. Anu is no ordinary girl. She's a guardian of the Dragon Gong and lives in the mystical temple. She's calm, powerful, and super wise. as I carefully draw her elegant hairstyle and her sharp, confident eyes. She always knows what's going on, and she's ready to protect her temple at all costs. Let's color in the details. Look at that magical staff she holds, with her dragon powers and ancient knowledge. Her outfit is sleek and purple with golden designs. And Yu is definitely one of the most unique characters in the PJ Masks world. What do you think of her look? And now, say hello to the buzzing, bouncing honey buzz. She's cute, she's tricky, and she loves honey. Let's begin by drawing her big, bouncy pigtails. They look like little honey swirls. Her outfit is bright yellow with black stripes, just like a buzzing bee. I'm adding her tiny wings now. They flap super fast when she zooms through the air. Now comes the fun part. Coloring in her honey jar. She uses it to trap heroes in sticky trouble. Yikes. But admit it, she's adorable in a villainy kind of way. There you go, friends. Octobella, and you, and Honey Buzz, 3 of the coolest PJ Masks characters brought to life with art and imagination. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to ZooniToons, and hit that bell so you never miss a colorful adventure again. Until next time, keep drawing, keep dreaming, and always stay creative. Bye-bye, little artists.